Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new product that I've been using by a brand called Clarins. It's a very old and known brand, beauty brand. They're pretty popular and have great products that help dry skin. So this is the multi-intensive Nuit, meaning night, super restorative night cream. Lifts, replenishes, and targets wrinkles. This is the 1.7 ounce. And it's very rich, very creamy, as you can see. Right here. I've already used about half of it. If you have really dry skin, I suggest, to me, this is one of the better anti-wrinkle night creams on the market. I've used Tatcha before, which is also just as expensive. I believe this is $120 or $30, but I feel like it targets my crow's feet. Whatever anti-aging capabilities this cream has, it has been working on me so far, and I do feel refreshed and rejuvenated the next day. So if you are looking for a new night cream and you have dry skin, looking for something restorative, anti-aging, this is the cream for you. If you purchase it, please make sure to leave a comment and let us know what you think, if it worked for you, if you liked it or not. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new updates on makeup, products, lifestyle products, and more. Thanks so much for watching.